I know, right? Okay, let's explore. So what do you think so far, man? About what?
It's very windy, but it's nice.
How about here where we are now?
Oh, yeah, it's a bit nicer now.
Yeah. So what can I walk? Yeah, it's a bit warmer, so it's not too bad. So we're gonna keep going. I think there's a building above in front of us, which I'll show you in a second, so you can see where we're going. But yeah, okay. See you soon. So we are walking on this track, and we are heading towards that building there.
There's a lighthouse there, the white.
There's a lighthouse there, so we're gonna walk all the way there.
It seems to go all the way there.
Yeah, we're gonna see what's going on. Stand next to it so you can see comparison how high it is. So that's kind of going next to it. And then this is how high it is. Yeah, it's big. Right, so that's the end of our tour. If you enjoyed the video, we're just parked and standing here because it's so windy. You might not hear us. We're behind the lighthouse. So yeah, we'll see you next week. Bye.
Thanks for watching.